Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to put codes into Gecko OS. So first thing you need to do is install the Orsiana Cheat Code Manager, which I already have installed. So I'll post the link in the description for the installation. And then you gotta go to the internet and look up the game ID that you are looking for. So I'm just gonna do a simple one. MW3 Wii game ID. Okay, I'm just gonna do a simple one. Um, an easier way to do it is just to go to geckocodes.org. I'll also post a few more code websites in the description with a few codes for Modern Warfare 3 and Black Ops for the Wii. Modern Warfare 3, NTSC US is, so you need the game name. You post that in this box over here, along with the game ID. Not the brackets though, just the number and letters. And then you hit store. And then I'm not going to get into too many good, like, amazing codes. There's a trigger bot. I'm just gonna, you can hit Control F with the Windows or Command F on the Macs to search. I'm just gonna search infinite ammo, infinite HP. Infinite ammo. Okay, so you post this. To do this, you have to hit add a code slash comment slash category, and then just type in the name of the code, inf ammo, and then to copy it, you hit Control C, and to paste it, you hit Control V. For the Mac, it's Command C, Command V, and then store modifications. The comment, like, I could just copy this, put that in the comment, store it again, and then if you want to have this code, just do that. No, I don't want Internet Open. I hate Internet. Internet Explorer is crap. So you have to have an SD card put in your computer. I do not have mine in right now. So once you're done with that, you hit export to GCT. Yes. And then you just search for your removable disk drive. Mine would be G, but I don't have it in. So if you store it, it would say data stored. And then you would hit OK, but mine said saving error because I don't have it in. Okay, once you do that, then you have to go to your Wii, but I don't have my Wii on me right now, so Notepad. Just gonna open up Notepad and show you what it would look like. So you have to have Gecko OS installed already. If you're looking up how to do this, I'd assume you already have it installed. Once you have that installed, it should say launch game config, and then some other stuff. You open the config option, and then you look for the thread type, and it should be OSS Leap thread. And then you want SD cheats on, and I recommend having debugger on. And this is the hook type that you need. Okay, so it should just look like that. something like that. After you open the config options, you should have all these options on, and then you just launch the game. And if this doesn't work, make sure that you posted or that you copied this Oceania Cheat Code Manager into your SD card's apps folder. So let's just say documents. I'll make a new folder. Call it my SD card. Okay, so say this is my SD card. I'd have no. You'd want to put an apps folder and a codes folder if you don't already have this. And this is where you'd want your .gct file to be stored to. So okay, so let's see. Export to GCT. Store mod, so it's stored. Okay, store. What the heck? Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, I need a code. I'll just put that code on. Store. Yes. And then you'd want to look for your SD card. And then you want to save it to the apps folder of that SD card. So you'd find it, you'd open not the apps folder, the codes folder, excuse me. And then inside your apps folder, you would want a copy of Cheat Code Manager. So, what's it called? Code Manager. You just copy it, go into your apps folder, and paste it, just like that. And then you'd go to your Gecko OS on your Wii. You'd set settings like I told you earlier, and you would save the config options. So now there would be config here too. Config. Actually, that should be down there. View, sort by title, name. This should look like this, more like that. You'd have your codes in here. You'd have your apps in here, which you need Gecko OS, and this would be your config. You wouldn't really be able to open that, I don't think. Okay, so if it says cheat codes or no codes found, make sure that you have the right game title and game ID, and do not change the name of the file. It has to be if you see the name of the file like these right here, this one here, it's SC7E52, which is the US Black Ops game ID. And then you can have like in parentheses 1, 2, 3, and however many numbers you want, but it has to be the game ID. The title of the folder has to be the game ID. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, and peace out. Hope this helped. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, what the heck is this? Okay.